Ndewono, my people. Namaste, my Indian friends. Welcome to Afro Groove Fitness. My name is Nnamdi Udo. Call me Udo. Now, in Afro Groove Fitness is where we learn or practice the dance of Surugede. Surugede is an ancestral medicine of the Igbo tribe. Surugede means worship. So in our tribe, we like to dance a lot. I did not know the reason behind it until I saw the health benefits of it. Okay? I'm gonna try to speak slowly because of my accent. So, I'm about to teach you the basics of movements. Okay, I have shown you, if you've seen my previous videos, how I use the heels to dance. Okay, but this time we are going to do something differently, which is just marching the ground like that, like flat-footed. You see my movement? I'm following my heartbeats by doing this. So this is basic Surugede movement. It's about grounding and tapping into your flexibility and rigidity. Okay? I want this video to be short, 3 minutes long or less. Okay? Surugede, 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 Surugede. Okay? Whenever you have no time for gym, come here. Doing this for 30 minutes can work you out. Okay? We are using the natural way to work you out. That's what happens in Afro Groove. I have a mirror in front of me, and the only thing missing here is music. But I have my heartbeat, so I groove to it. So this is what I bring to you from Afro Groove Fitness, from Africa, from Nigeria. Okay? If you're interested in my classes, hit me up. My email ID is there. If you want all your comments, here, I respond to all comments. So this is the basics of Surugede. Okay? So, no music. You can still move. Imagine to be the trees. And when wind comes, the trees do not say, no, I can't move. They move. See you in the next video of Surugede. The dance of the trees, the dance of the spirits.